I want to give you a little heads up and tip whenever you're doing a remodeling project. You want to have a book or a folder with all of the information for your kitchen project in there. It's one thing to have a set of plans for the cabinets. There's a popular program called 2020 that will have the 3D visualization of the cabinetry and the layout of the cabinets, but that doesn't give your carpenters quite enough information. You also need to have the appliances, the countertop, how the backsplash is to be installed. And with that, you need kind of a full folder or a booklet to be able to keep track of that. This is like the game plan for the job. And jobs run smoother when you plan ahead. So the tip on this job is to have everything designed up front, put it into a nice, easy to look at book, and then follow the game plan through the project. This will make your project successful. For more information on remodeling tips, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.